Hi, thank you for taking a look at Guaranty's website today. I want to talk with you about our stock number T41255. This is a 2020 Heartland Sundance Ultra-Lite. It's a 262 RB. So one of the nice things about this travel trailer is that it has a beautiful build. It's an aluminum cage trailer with the fiberglass siding, and it has some nice features inside. So it's got a giant-sized bathroom in the back with a lovely shower that anyone of any height or size would fit into comfortably. And also has a very nice walk-in pantry. You've got a nice sofa in it that also folds down into a tri-fold bed and a dedicated dinette. It's got a lovely kitchen. It's got kind of a corner kitchen. It's got a microwave. It's got a 3-burner stove and an oven. It's got a large refrigerator in it. One of the things that they have done in this trailer that's made it very nice is that they've used a sliding door. So we're not wasting a bunch of space for a swing on a door. They just slide right across. So I've sold quite a few of these. We find people that are traveling in a half-ton truck, a 150 or a 1500, can easily haul this to the top of the mountain or all the way to the coast, anywhere you want to go. It's hard to describe them over the phone, over the internet. You have to come out here and sit down on the sofa and lie down on the bed and just take a look at it. It's a lot about the feel. So if you'd like to get some more information, I'd love to have you give me a call or come out and see me. My name is Barbara. I'm at Guaranty. My phone number is 541-521-4232. This is a keeper, and it's got a great price point on it. And I'm Barbara D. at Guaranty in Trailers and Vans. Thank you.